up, YouTube? It's your girl Kendra. We back with another video.
Better recognize when I see you. I really want you. Hit the club for you. Light skin got you new. Even look like long too. I be tripping with this money. Hit the strip.
All right, y'all. We back with another video. It's late out here, and we finna play red light, green light with these children. Well, they finna play red light, green light. I'm just finna record and watch. I'm gonna go this way so I can record and watch. Before we get to the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another video. And make sure you tell a friend to subscribe to my channel.
Green. I said green.
Green means go.
Red. Yellow. Green. Red. Y'all let baby duck kill y'all. He fuck y'all. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Yellow. Red.
Leo ready to bite somebody's shit.
Red. I ain't say green. I ain't said shit. Now y'all gotta go back.
Yep.
Alright, got the roll, y'all. Got the roll.
Got straight. Damn.
Green. Yellow. Red. Go back, Jada. Go back, Jada.
Cause y'all cheated the last round too. Cause y'all supposed to stop eating immediately.
Right. Green. Red. Green. Yellow. Go back, Jada. I ain't say green. I ain't say red, yellow, green, red. Come back out, right. Green, red, yellow, red, green, red. Go back out.
Leo trying to bite folks as they running up. He play too much.
Alright.
See, they're trying to.
Alright, y'all. Green, red, yellow, red, green, red, green, red, green, red.
It's cold out there, bitch. Leo trying to grab y'all ankles while y'all running. Leo trying to grab ankles of them. His stinking ass. He always trying to do that. Baby, I'm cold. Yeah. He just grabbed it, you just did. What's up, y'all? We back with another video. Today we is at, I think it's Car Meets Houston. We can look at these fast cars and see what all they got going on, y'all. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another video. And make sure you tell a friend to subscribe to your girl channel. We'll be back. With the real that will come down. We don't have very much footage of the car thing because it was windy and it had been raining. I don't think a lot of cars was coming. So now we are finna take the kids to the truck. Hey, come out of the way. Move. Let me get out. So, y'all, we finna take them into the truck. And my knees hurt because we have been driving for over an hour. Anybody who know, it's a lot of driving. Hey, y'all. Huh? Where you want to go? Somebody right there. Come on, we ain't got time. Let's go that way. Yeah, tip. Oh, yeah. You see, get on up there. Now y'all, they got a trampoline party here, y'all. Chuck E. Cheese have a fish. Yeah, trampoline. Ooh. your coins, girlfriend. Tap. Tap. Yeah, baby D, yeah. Baby D call himself cruising. Press the button. Press the button. Tap it. The button. That's all that matters, I guess. Come on. Yeah, because that bitch gonna take off soon. That boy gonna take off soon. And here. Get it, Bobo. You gotta drive with this. You gotta collect the stuff right there. Collect that stuff. Damn, he ain't get the quick. Where that girl went? Oh, he killed Kayla. She ain't give her 26. You have to tap the button. Catch. Get it. Select it. Hey, baby D sit up there smiling and shit. It's up. Y'all make sure you look right there so you take your picture. Right there. He'll say come out. You probably got to do it again. I like when they do these pictures because I like to keep them. Sit down, girl. They ain't stop. Y'all wait your picture. Round, 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 round. It's gonna stop. There it is. Your picture ain't come out? Up. She's gonna try. Uh-oh, she tried your picture. Yeah, they think they know what they doing. They don't know what they doing. They suck. So Kobe do play. Kobe get their ass out sometime. Move, Caleb. He gonna get Bubba out. D.
What happened to your leg? What happened to your leg? You fell? You gonna miss. Told you. I be like that too. Uh-oh. Why is y'all riding bikes right there by the goal? Knowing it's gonna knock y'all out. Move from right there. Y'all gotta excuse my girl. No, why she won't come over here? I ain't going no goddamn street. She can bring that chair down here. I ain't going no damn street. I didn't even see him. Ooh. She's at a little bit. Oh, my man. Man, go play. Ride your bike or something. Go. I know that right. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I know this video is all over the place. Bandom is officially gone. Y'all, it's a little sad because we had us a good weekend because we have not seen family in 7 months in person. And it's going on 2 years for them because they've been in Texas 2 years. So they really haven't seen nobody. So it just felt so good to be around family again. So y'all, make sure y'all go spam her Facebook. The Davis family is her Facebook page, and then she also have a YouTube that she's finna start back posting on, which is Us and Five. So y'all make sure y'all go show her some love, support them any way you can, please, and thank you. But y'all, that's gonna be it. Your girl is tired and wore out because this has been a long weekend. And y'all, I am gonna put in a clip of us going to a car meet. We was headed home, but they end up having like a little car meet. I ain't gonna show too much of it because there's a lot going on with it. It's on my Facebook, so it's on live. So if you follow my Facebook, you will see it on a live. But if not, my Facebook is Kendra Jones Sturdivant, and you guys will be able to see that. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm sorry it's all over the place. I just had so much going on, and you know when you living in the moment and you having fun, the last thing you can think of is picking up a camera, baby. And we was having us a good time, so a camera was the last thing on our mind, honestly. We went live more than we picked up a camera because we was talking to people and just interacting. So I like to go live, and I go live on YouTube. So y'all make sure y'all turn on y'all post notification bell so y'all will not miss it, because I have been going live on YouTube a lot lately. So y'all make sure y'all turn it on so y'all won't miss that. But that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another video. And make sure you tell a friend to subscribe to your girl channel. And y'all always remember that whatever you're going through, you can get through it. Just know you are stronger and you are better than any situation. Y'all always keep your head up and always remember God loves you, and so do I. Peace and happy Sunday, y'all. I'm tired. I'm finna go to sleep. And I'm finna put a little clip at the end of this of a piece of the car meat. It's cute. Bye. Oh, God.
I got Fast and Furious in real life.